Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the 52-week challenge. We are not doing the Transfer Tuesday today. I am solely just going to focus on the 52-week challenge this week. And if you are new, be sure to subscribe down below and let me know if you are doing the 52-week challenge. And before we get started, a lot of people have asked me or have gotten messages or comments asking me, what is the 52-week challenge? Essentially, the 52-week challenge is a challenge where you save money every week for 52 weeks, and ultimately, you're going to be saving $1,378 at the end of the 52-week challenge. So you start with January 1st, which is that week, and then you can put in $1, and then the second week is $2, third week $3, and so on and so forth. Now, there is no rhyme or reason that you have to go in order. Like, a lot of people go in order from 1 to 52. A lot of people go from 52 all the way down to 1. Or you can do it like me, where I just pick the amount that I can essentially put in that week. I've also seen a lot of people draw a piece of paper from a fishbowl or a jar or anything, and that's how much they have to put. So that's a cool challenge on a challenge that you can do. But essentially, I just pick what I'm comfortable with doing that week. All right, you guys. So this week, we're actually going to be picking from this side of the board. I know I have been killing it on this side, but I really do need to knock out some more on the right side. So we are actually going to be putting in 20, 40, 41, 42, 43. So $43 is how much I am going to put in today. And I love coloring, so we are going to color in the $43. Now, while I'm coloring this in, I just wanted to, just talk about the coronavirus. I know it is spreading very fast, and there is a lot of assumption that it's only going to be affecting like little kids or older people or people with not very good immune system. But in all honesty, it can affect pretty much everybody. So wash your hands, you guys. I know you've been hearing that a lot. Wash your hands, use Germ-X. I know it's been out, but use some Germ-X. This will be a great time to save money. Like, don't go out, go to the movies or go shopping or anything. Just stay at home. You can clean, you can organize your office or anything like that. So, and then spend time with your family or friends or anything, or your significant other. You have some popcorn and go watch a movie, do Disney Plus or anything. Because I know like Frozen 2 is coming out or is out on Disney Plus. So I think that's what Jared and I are going to be doing. I'm just going to color this in a little bit. So, this time, just, spend time with your family, spend time with your family, stay at home, do something productive at your house. You can save money essentially, and then you can, do the 52-week challenge or save for your emergency fund or put it towards sinking funds, anything like that. Essentially, you are pretty much saving because you are staying at the house. All right, so we're going to get the snowflake box and we're going to take all of our money out. And we are going to count our money. I have a lot of ones. All right. 50, 100, 2, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. So $192 is how much we have. So we're almost to $200, you guys. All right, so we're going to flip to my 52-week tracker. 192, and we put in $43 today. So that is awesome, you guys. And we're pretty much on track to, getting $1,378. And I highly encourage y'all to do the 52-week challenge, or there's so many challenges that y'all can do. Y'all can do the 52-week challenge. There's like a 10-week challenge. There's the dime challenge, the penny challenge, the quarter challenge. Like, there's so many challenges. If this is not your cup of challenge, Pinterest it, you guys. There's so many. So anyways, I hope y'all have a great week. Stay safe, wash your hands, and just spend time with your family. So I will see you guys later, and let me know how y'all are doing on y'all's challenge. I'll see you later. Bye.